If you're seeing a HubSpot SSL or validation error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it's caused by something simple, like a cached browser session, a DNS problem, or even your network connection. The good news is, you can often resolve it without any advanced technical setup. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is clear your browser cache in Chrome. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Settings. From there, open Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. When the pop-up appears, make sure you're clearing the right data, especially cached images and files. A corrupted cache can often cause SSL or validation issues when HubSpot tries to load or verify something properly. After clearing the cache, close and reopen Chrome, then go back to HubSpot and check if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to flush your DNS. On Windows, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and run it as an administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your local DNS cache and forces your computer to fetch fresh network information. Sometimes that alone is enough to fix SSL-related errors, especially if your system is holding on to outdated connection data. Once that's done, try refreshing HubSpot again and see if the validation error has disappeared. If you're still seeing the issue, the next thing to try is switching your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot. Or if you're on a hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi connection. This helps you find out whether the problem is coming from your current network instead of HubSpot itself. Some networks block or interfere with secure connections, which can trigger SSL errors or validation failures. After switching networks, open HubSpot again and test the page, form, or setting that was giving you trouble. In many cases, one of these three steps clears the issue completely. So to recap, start by clearing your Chrome cache, then flush your DNS, and finally, try a different network connection. These simple fixes solve a lot of HubSpot SSL and validation errors without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If the error is still happening after that, the issue may be on the HubSpot side or related to a specific browser extension, but these steps are the best place to begin. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick fix tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.